What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So here is the latest information on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which will be installed in the next generation flagship smartphones, are recently revealed on the network. In the meantime, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is the latest high-end chipset in the current models. Several models with the same chipset have already been released overseas. And it is certain that models such as the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Ultra model will be released in the Japan as models as the same chipset. Information about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which are the next generation and 2 generation chipsets of this Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, has now emerged on the network. First of all, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which will be installed in next year's Sony Xperia 1 Mark VI and Galaxy S24 line, will score about 6500 points for multi-core and about 1800 points for single core in the Geekbench benchmark test results. Also, this chipset will be produced in TSMC's class node N4P process. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Geekbench score is around 1800 and 5000. So Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 seems to have almost no single core performance evolution, but multi-core performance is improved by 30%. On the other hand, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which will be installed in the flagship models released in 2025, such as the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VII, Xperia 5 Mark VII, and Galaxy S25 line, will reach 2070 points for single core and 9100 points for multi-core results. That's what I am talking about. In terms of multi-core performance, this is nearly double of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and nearly 1.5 times of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Even information about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 has begun to leak recently, so it feels a little unnatural that information about the next generation chipset will come out, but the benchmark performance is an impossible figure. I don't think so. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.